10 steps to take when your private data ends up on the dark web. Change your passwords immediately. Update all passwords immediately with unique, complex combinations to protect against cybercriminals exploiting credentials found on the dark web. Enable multi-factor authentication. Activate multi-factor authentication for enhanced security. It requires additional identity verification, like OTP or biometrics, making it difficult for cybercriminals to access your accounts despite stolen credentials. Monitor your financial accounts. Regularly review bank statements and credit card activity to catch fraudulent transactions early. Fraudsters often start with small purchases. Freeze your credit. Freezing your credit protects against identity theft by preventing unauthorized account openings without affecting your current credit score. Set up fraud alerts. A fraud alert enhances a credit freeze by requiring creditors to verify identity thoroughly before granting new credit, especially if your social security number is compromised. Scan for further breaches. After confirming a breach, assess data exposure extent. Use monitoring tools to check if other accounts or data are compromised, and update credentials and security settings urgently if necessary. Report to authorities. Report financial fraud or identity theft to law enforcement and agencies like the FTC to establish a legal trail and improve chances of recovering lost funds. Secure your email and social media accounts. Change your email password, review security settings, and unlink recovery accounts to prevent hackers from exploiting compromised emails to reset passwords and access other platforms. Beware of scams and phishing attempts. Fraudsters may impersonate helpers after data exposure. Always verify financial institutions by contacting official representatives directly to ensure safety. Consider identity theft protection services. Identity theft protection services provide value by monitoring financial activity, alerting suspicious changes, and offering insurance for losses. They also track court filings and public records for unauthorized use.